With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so our question is, a simple pendulum of length L and having a bob of mass m is suspended in a car. The car is moving on a circular track of radius r with a uniform speed of v. If the pendulum makes small oscillation in a radial direction about its equilibrium, what will be the time period? Okay, now in the given question we have been given that a simple pendulum having a length of L and mass as m is suspended in a car, and the car is moving in a circular track having a radius of r with a uniform velocity of v. Correct? Now we have to find what will be the time period of the oscillation of the pendulum. Okay, now the time period of the oscillation of a pendulum is given as 2 pi under root of L by g when only acceleration due to gravity is acting on the bob. But when the car is moving on the circular track with a uniform speed, one more acceleration comes into the picture, that is the centripetal acceleration. Correct? And this centripetal acceleration is given as v square upon r. Correct? Now, so the net effective acceleration acting on the bob will be given as g effective will be equals to under root of acceleration due to gravity whole square plus the centripetal acceleration whole square. Correct? So it will be under root of g square plus v square upon r whole square. So it will be under root of g square plus v raised to the power 4 divided by r square. Correct? Now when the bob is under some acceleration, so the time period is given as 2 pi under root of L upon g effective. Correct? So it will be L upon g effective. Correct? So the time period from here comes out to be 2 pi under root of L divided by under root of g square plus v raised power 4 divided by r square. Now choosing out from the options, we get our option number 2 is the correct option for us. Okay, where t is 2 pi under root of L upon under root of g square plus v raised power 4 divided by r square. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.